5 benefits to apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Apple cider vinegar has various healthful properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects, such as aiding weight loss, reducing cholesterol, lowering blood sugar levels, improving the symptoms of diabetes. Here are 5 benefits to apple cider vinegar. 1. High in healthful substances. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting the sugar from apples. This turns them into acetic acid, which is a main active ingredient in vinegar and may be responsible for its health benefits. Organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar also contains a substance called mother, which consists of strands of proteins, enzymes, and friendly bacteria that give the product a murky appearance. 2. Can help kill harmful bacteria. The main substance in vinegar, acetic acid, can kill harmful bacteria or prevent them from multiplying. It has a history of use as a disinfectant and natural preservative. 3. May help lower blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. Apple cider vinegar has shown great promise in improving insulin sensitivity and helping lower blood sugar responses after meals. To date, one of the most convincing applications of vinegar is helping treat type 2 diabetes. However, people without diabetes can also benefit from keeping their blood sugar levels in the normal range, as some researchers believe that high blood sugar levels are a major cause of aging and various chronic diseases. 4. May aid weight loss. Studies suggest that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness and help you eat fewer calories, which may lead to weight loss. That said, simply adding or subtracting single foods or ingredients rarely has a noticeable effect on weight. Long-term weight loss is created by adopting helpful and supportive diet and lifestyle habits. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. 5. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar is naturally acidic and has antimicrobial properties. This means it could help improve the skin barrier and prevent infections. Dosage and how to use it. A common dosage for apple cider vinegar ranges from 1 teaspoon to 2 tablespoons, 10 to 30 milliliters, per day, either used in cooking or mixed in a glass of water. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more.